Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of precision and accuracy with the top 5 best self-leveling laser levels. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools are designed to make your leveling tasks easier and more accurate. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hilda self-leveling laser level. The Hilda self-leveling laser level is designed to offer precision and ease of use for various leveling and alignment tasks. With features aimed at enhancing user experience and accuracy, it caters to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Here's a detailed look at its strengths and potential drawbacks. Pros: touch button operation. Comfortable and sensitive, the Hilda laser level features touch buttons that are comfortable to use and highly responsive. This design choice simplifies the operation, allowing users to start, switch modes and adjust settings quickly and efficiently. Buzzing alarm device. Tilt alert: the built-in buzzing alarm activates when the device detects a tilt of 3 degrees or more. This feature helps ensure that the level is properly aligned and provides an audible alert to prevent errors caused by misalignment. Automatic self-leveling. Easy leveling: the laser level automatically self-levels within a 3-degree range, which simplifies the leveling process and enhances accuracy. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring precise alignment in various applications. Wall support. Versatile placement: the ability to mount or support the laser level on walls adds versatility to its use. This feature is beneficial for tasks that require consistent alignment over large areas or for hands-free operation. Parallel lines function. Enhanced precision: the laser level provides parallel lines, which are crucial for tasks requiring precise alignment, such as hanging pictures, installing shelves, or setting up tile layouts. This function helps achieve professional quality results. Cons: limited tilt tolerance. 3-degree restriction: the device only levels automatically within a 3-degree tilt range. For applications requiring more flexibility or where the leveling surface may not be perfectly flat, this limitation could be a drawback. The Hilda self-leveling laser level offers a range of features that enhance user comfort and accuracy, including touch button operation, automatic self-leveling, and a buzzing alarm for tilt detection. Its wall support and parallel lines function further add to its versatility and usefulness. However, limitations in tilt tolerance, durability concerns, and lack of advanced features might affect its suitability for certain tasks. Overall, it provides a practical solution for basic leveling needs and is a valuable tool for both DI projects and professional work. Coming in at number 4, the Clubiona 3D self-leveling laser level. The Clubiona 3D self-leveling laser level is a versatile tool designed for precise leveling and alignment tasks. Available in various models with different features, it caters to a range of professional and DI applications. Here's a comprehensive look at the advantages and potential limitations of this laser level. Pros: versatile leveling options. 3D and 4D levels. The Clubiona laser level is available in 3D and 4D versions. This variety allows users to select the model that best fits their needs, whether they require basic 3D leveling or advanced 4D capabilities for more complex projects. Multi-mode switching. Self-leveling and manual modes. The device features both self-leveling and manual modes. It automatically levels within a 4-day range, with a beep alert indicating when it is out of range. For tasks requiring manual adjustments, users can activate manual mode by holding the red button for 2 seconds, offering flexibility in various scenarios. Flexible installation design. Versatile mounting options. The laser level supports multiple installation methods, including magnetic brackets, tripods, lifting bases, and 360-degree free rotating bases. This flexibility allows users to position the device in a variety of ways to suit different job requirements and improve convenience. Long working life. Rechargeable battery. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Clubiona laser level offers extended usage time, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements and providing a more efficient working experience. Comprehensive package content. Detailed product information. Users can view the product content through pictures of different SKUs, ensuring they receive all necessary components and accessories for their specific model. Cons: potential battery life concerns. Rechargeable battery dependency. Although the rechargeable battery offers long working life, users must ensure it is properly maintained and charged. If the battery fails or requires frequent charging, it could interrupt workflow and productivity. The Clubiona 3D self-leveling laser level offers a range of features designed to enhance precision and flexibility in leveling and alignment tasks. Its multi-mode switching, versatile installation options, and long battery life make it a practical choice for both professionals and DI enthusiasts. However, limitations in tilt range, manual mode activation complexity, and potential variability in package content may affect its overall usability. With careful consideration of these factors, the Clubiona laser level can be a valuable tool for a variety of applications, providing accuracy and convenience in multiple settings. At number 3, we have the Yevolt YVGLL4XS12 self-leveling laser level. The Yevolt YVGLL4XS12 self-leveling laser level is designed for precise and efficient leveling, incorporating advanced technology and versatile features to enhance various projects. Here's a detailed look at the advantages and potential drawbacks of this laser level. Pros. Then, automatic leveling. Self-leveling range. The Yevolt YVGLL4XS12 boasts a self-leveling range of 4 deg, enabling it to achieve levelness in under 4 seconds. This feature ensures accurate alignment even on uneven surfaces, which saves time and reduces the need for manual adjustments. 3-plane locking mode. Enhanced precision. The 3-plane locking mode holds the laser line firmly in place at specific angles. This capability is particularly useful for creating precise and consistent markings, allowing for more accurate and professional results in your projects. Advanced laser beam technology. 4x BVG-PRO technology. Featuring cutting-edge 4x BVG-PRO technology, developed in Germany, this laser level sets new standards in precision and performance. The advanced technology ensures high accuracy and reliability, making it suitable for demanding leveling and alignment tasks. Versatile application. Multiple use cases. The automatic leveling and 3-plane locking mode provide versatility for various applications, including construction, renovation, and DI projects. This flexibility allows users to tackle a wide range of tasks with a single tool. Quick and efficient. Fast leveling. Achieving levelness in under 4 seconds streamlines workflows and enhances productivity, especially on larger projects or when multiple alignments are required. Cons. Pens. Durability concerns. Technology sensitivity. While the advanced technology offers high precision, it may also be more sensitive to environmental factors and handling. Ensuring proper care and maintenance is crucial to preserve the performance and longevity of the device. The Yevolt YVGLL4XS12 self-leveling laser level offers a range of advanced features designed to enhance precision and efficiency in leveling and alignment tasks. Its automatic leveling, 3-plane locking mode, and advanced 4x BVG-PRO technology (TM) provide significant advantages for professional and demanding projects. However, the limitations in self-leveling range, potential complexity for beginners, and higher cost for advanced technology may affect its suitability for all users. Overall, this laser level is well suited for those requiring high accuracy and advanced functionality in their projects, offering significant benefits for a variety of applications. Next up at number 2 is the Lfine 3D self-leveling laser level. The Lfine 3D self-leveling laser level is designed to offer precise leveling and alignment for a variety of tasks, from home renovation to professional construction. With advanced features and modern technology, it aims to provide accuracy and convenience. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this laser level. Pros. Upgraded rechargeable battery. 18650 lithium battery. The Lfine laser level is equipped with a 4800 mAh 18650 lithium rechargeable battery, offering extended usage time. This large capacity battery ensures that the device can handle long work sessions without frequent recharging. Intelligent digital screen. Real-time battery display. The big digital screen provides a real-time display of battery power, allowing users to monitor battery life accurately. This feature helps prevent unexpected power outages and ensures that you're always aware of the remaining charge. High-precision laser line. Accurate alignment. The laser level delivers high-precision laser lines, ensuring accurate and reliable alignment for various tasks. This precision is crucial for tasks that require meticulous measurement and alignment. Remote control. Convenient operation. The inclusion of a remote control enhances convenience by allowing users to operate the laser level from a distance. This feature is especially useful for adjusting settings or switching modes without having to move the device manually. Versatile applications. Multi-purpose use. The Lfine laser level is suitable for a wide range of applications, including DI projects, home improvement, and professional construction. Its 3D self-leveling capability makes it versatile for various alignment tasks. Cons: size and portability. Larger device. While the large battery and digital screen add functionality, they also contribute to the overall size and weight of the device. This might impact portability, making it less convenient for users who need a more compact and lightweight tool. The Lfine 3D self-leveling laser level provides several advanced features, including a high-capacity rechargeable battery, intelligent digital display, and remote control, making it a strong choice for those needing precision and convenience in their leveling tasks. Its high-precision laser line and versatile applications add significant value, though its larger size, specific distance requirements, and potential complexity for beginners may be drawbacks for some users. Overall, it's an excellent tool for those who require a high level of accuracy and are prepared to invest in a feature-rich device. Finally, at number 1, we have the Deko 16 self-leveling laser level. The Deko 16 self-leveling laser level is designed to provide accurate and reliable leveling with its 4D functionality and green laser beam. This tool is intended for both horizontal and vertical applications, making it a versatile choice for various tasks. Here's an overview of its pros and cons. Pros: 4D functionality. Comprehensive coverage. The Deko 16 features 4D self-leveling capabilities, providing 360-degree horizontal and vertical cross lines. This comprehensive coverage makes it suitable for a wide range of alignment and leveling tasks from construction to home improvement. Green laser beam. Enhanced visibility. The green laser beam is typically more visible than red lasers, especially in bright or outdoor conditions. This increased visibility enhances accuracy and ease of use in different lighting environments. Versatile applications. Horizontal and vertical lines. With the ability to project both horizontal and vertical lines, the Deko 16 is versatile and useful for various tasks such as wall alignment, tiling, and framing. This flexibility adds to its value in diverse projects. Self-leveling feature. Automatic adjustment. The self-leveling feature ensures that the laser level remains accurate, even on uneven surfaces. This automatic adjustment saves time and reduces the need for manual calibration. Tripod compatibility. Stable setup. The inclusion of a tripod in the package ensures stable setup and precise positioning. This stability is crucial for maintaining accuracy over extended periods and in demanding tasks. Cons: limited battery information. Battery details. There is limited information provided about the battery life and type. Users might need to seek additional details regarding battery performance, replacement, and maintenance. The Deko 16 self-leveling laser level stands out with its 4D functionality, green laser beam, and versatile applications, making it a powerful tool for a range of leveling and alignment tasks. Its self-leveling feature and tripod compatibility further enhance its usability and accuracy. However, its size, potential complexity for beginners, and higher price point might be drawbacks for some users. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who need a high-performance laser level with comprehensive features and are prepared to invest in a versatile tool.